What's up, buddy? I'm alright. How are you? Why don't you grab a seat on the front of the car there and relax? You okay?
Yeah, I'm alright.
What's going on? Where are you going? I was telling you to have a seat right here. I'm not telling you get right in the car yet. We're not to that point. What are you doing, man?
Actually, I'm headed over here
Okay.
to the bus stop.
What's going on with you?
We got kicked out of the house, and so I'm just walking the street here,
Okay.
waiting on the daylight.
Have any idea what time it is? Okay. I mean, you were kind of hunched over in the parking lot there a second ago.
Sleep?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that what you were doing?
Yeah, I was kind of tired.
Okay. I mean, it's like 4 in the morning. It's okay to be tired.
Yeah. Just about.
Yeah. Go ahead and take a drink of water, man, and put your cap back on there. Well, someone thought you were overdosing. Did you do any drugs today?
No.
No?
Earlier, way early.
Like, what did you use?
Just,
What do you normally use? You use heroin, crack, meth?
I was on heroin, but I ain't on heroin now.
Okay. You used some earlier today?
No.
So you're saying you're acting like this because you're really tired?
Yeah. I'm tired. I've been out here.
Okay.
Wow, what time is it?
It's 4.
4 a.m.?
Yeah. What time did you get kicked out of the house?
I didn't get kicked out of the house. I left.
Oh, what time did you leave the house?
Well, it was early today.
Like-
Yesterday.
Yesterday sometime? Alright, well
Yesterday evening.
there's an ambulance coming to check you out. You want checked
I'm
out?
alright. No, I'm alright.
Okay, well we'll just clear them when they get here. It won't get to them in time. Okay.
Want them to look at you for anything?
I'm good.
You just pass out from being tired?
Okay. Well, are you sure you're going to be able to walk down there okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, go ahead and stand up. Let me see if you look strong. Alright. Look strong to you?
I'm good.
Okay. This is normal for you then.
Thanks.
Alright, man. We just want to make sure you're doing alright. You're welcome. Is there anything I can do for you?
I don't think so.
Okay, man. Well, I'll let you be on your way then.
Careful passing out, man. Somebody
man.
could rob you.
Yeah, but it ain't gonna get much, I tell you that.
I understand that, man. You
All
take
right,
care.
Thanks, guys.
Yep.
Thanks for your concern, I really appreciate that.
You're welcome, man.
Bye.
Alright, just call us if you need us.
All right, God bless you guys, man.
Thank you, man.